Community hall.
Okay, community hall. Where they can do occasion. Okay. They have the all of them.
Yeah, there are three.
I would have said that. Yes. Okay, Cormati has, Fred Headquarters has, and the FCT. Go around with us. We started with the International Conference Center, which is being carried out by Julius Berger. You recall sometimes last year when the Mr. President inaugurated the ECOWAS Parliament, it was an eyesore for a country like Nigeria to have that as an international conference center. And Mr. President directed that whole place to be shut down and there should be a total rehabilitation. And by the grace of God, by May ending, that international conference center will come back to life. Will be inaugurated by Mr. President as part of the second year anniversary. I'm happy that the contractor has committed itself to see that that will be done. We have also gone around to see the southern parkway and the northern parkway, which is being carried out by Gilmore. You can see the enormity of work that's going on. We believe by the grace of God that they have promised we shall also inaugurate those projects during the second year anniversary of Mr. President. Now again, we're here at this interchange. Here is called Gishu. At our back, you go to Maitama, you can see that the communities have cooperated and the company CGC has been able to demolish and got across to the road that Gilmore is carrying on. You can see all the other connecting roads leading to the judges' quarters. CGC has promised that all these roads, by the grace of God, will be inaugurated during the second year anniversary of Mr. President. Indeed, I'm very elated, very happy, and thank Mr. President for the support given to us, the encouragement for us to achieve this. It's not easy. This is not only projects that we inaugurated. We inaugurate also some certain towns like A2 to Pai, like Aguma, like Oshafa roads. We know also that we'll be going to Ossex tomorrow, which is also being carried out by CGC, and then the one being done by Sabido. In all, we are satisfied with the level of work, and we thank God for the opportunity through Mr. President that we have. I'm very happy for that.
Okay. So talk us through the funding, for all of these projects.
Our 2025 budget, as approved by FCT Executive Committee, and we would know that by today, tomorrow, Mr. President would have transmitted our 2025 budget to the National Assembly. Already the 2024 budget will expire in June. And so the funds we have for these projects in 2024 is still being used. And by the time the 2025 budget is passed, we know that we won't have problems in funding.
Okay. Your Excellency, sir, we have seen the massive work that is going on in the international conference. Apart from the activity what other economic value that is added to the Nigerian economy?
First of all, it's going to attract a lot of activities. And what we have tried to do now is that it's no longer to be business as usual. You know what happened last time? That it was given out to one senator who was making money and then tried to destroy that edifice. When we finish, we are going to have a maintenance contract with Julius Berger where we pay them and then they will be maintaining the place. One problem we have in that society is lack of the maintenance culture, which is very bad. And then people will come and rent it and use, and then we'll make money from there to be able to pay the company that will maintain it. Nigeria needs an international conference center of standard, like compared to any other one in the world. You know when it was built. So I think it's going to attract a lot of economic activities. As at the time it was built, that is every time people go to the International Conference Center. And I thought by now we didn't do the second one. But let us maintain the one we have first before we talk about the second one.
Okay, on final note, with just 60 days to mark the president in office, and with all some of the projects you have visited so far, do you foresee any form of disappointment, whether they will be
I've never had a spirit of disappointment, and I've never been disappointed in my life. I don't see failure. I like to check out there should be challenges, but you are here to solve those, to tackle those challenges. So for now, we don't see any obstacle that will stop us from inaugurating the projects. Thank you.